Good morning, afternoon, evening, folks. Well, again, it's funny, I always film on sunny days mainly. Yeah, sun's out, birds are singing. I've got this EACHINE E32 HW that I haven't had stinking time to fly yet, so I found myself 30 minutes. I'm going to go to a field or an oval, or whatever you want to call a large open expanse of greenery, and I'm going to chuck in the sky and see exactly what's what. It's a maiden voyage. Check out my unboxing of this drone for all the bits and pieces and specs and what's going on in the box and all that. But yeah, quick run through. Headless mode, 1 key return, 2.4 gig, flips and rolls, searchlight. Any searching I reckon I'll be doing with this. And searching for it in the scrub. That's what normally happens. And 3.7 volts, 650 milliamp hour Li polymer battery. So yeah, I'm also going to stick my little SQ on it as well for some additional footage. Cue the editing. Okay, so let's see how the EACHINE E58 flies. Looks pretty good. Okay. Alright, there's she flying. Got a quiet sounding quad, sounds pretty cool. Let's get a bit of trim going here. So as you can see guys, blue lights at the front, orange at the back. Try and hold it steady for you so you can have a look. Looks pretty cool. There you go. Okay, let's change our speed. That's 2 and 1, so it's only 2 speeds. I'm going to have it on speed number 2. Yeah, no, another quad that doesn't like the wind. Of course, this isn't a GPS quad, so that would explain why it's jumping around a bit. Nearly took my head off. That's pretty cool. That's a pretty cool little unit, I think you'll agree. Yeah, okay. Shall we scoot up to the sky a bit? Why the hell not? It's quite slow and steady on the lift off. Looks like we're still recording. So let's take it down to speed 1 just to keep things steady. We'll do a 360 here, see what that does. 360, okay. I believe it's meant to do a 360 spin around. But it's not, although it is remaining quite steady in the sky. That's pretty good. Little Wi-Fi signal on the screen, that's pretty cool. Okay, let's go up a bit more, see how high we can go. And up we go. And up we go. Oh, that's going a long way up. How's our Wi-Fi signal? Still not looking too bad. Be careful of wind guys, I don't want to lose this. I've really just only flown it today. Just a bit of a spin around quickly. Oh, don't go over there. You be careful spinning these around when there's a bit of wind because it sort of gets taken away a bit. Okay, it's just not achieving anything except for making me nervous, so Need some elevator music. It's quite slow coming down, guys. Yeah, welcome back. I'll be interested to see how the footage goes. These quads do. I reckon I've got the trim just about right. Quads are a bit dicey when you're trying to do footage. Wait, settle down. Because they do tend to jump and carry on a little bit. I haven't looked yet to see if we've got a battery indicator. A little slight breeze, so I better start concentrating. Let's get it down low. I haven't seen if there's a battery indicator on here. There normally isn't. It's pretty good it has Wi-Fi though. Okay, let's go for a speed scoot through those trees and down the oval. Hopefully without hitting anything. I'm going to try not to destroy it just today. I think I'll destroy it tomorrow or the day after, but not today. Oh, there it goes, yep. Okay, be careful of the sticks, guys. The sticks are really responsive. If you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know that I'm a bit reckless. Look at that, I'm going pull down, and it's, I hate to say it, it's not actually coming down at all. Oh, here it comes. Come on, come down, you crazy quad. Yeah. Let's go number one here. I'm not too sure what's going on there, guys. I could be getting low on batteries. These quads do behave strangely when battery power is low. It takes a long time to come down. Well, it's okay down here now. It seems to be going up and down alright, but okay, yeah, first impressions, yeah, it's pretty cool. I've got another battery here. I bought 2 batteries, so let's have a bit of a scoot around the place here. Doesn't dip down to the ground too much. Nice and controllable actually. Some quads I notice when you do go forward at speed, they tend to drop down a lot, which makes it difficult to turn. But oh, don't hit the tree! Don't hit the tree! Oh, I think they're running out of power, guys. Yeah, we're out of power. Battery in. Stick on an SQ camera and do some video comparisons. Oh, it looks like it's having a bit of trouble lifting that camera. Okay, no, we're there again.